Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your POCO C85. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for damage or compatibility with the device. So if you're not using the original charger, then make sure that it's compatible with your device and check it for any visible damage. Now, what you guys can also do is test another fast charger or test another outlet to plug the fast charger somewhere else and see if that fixes the issue, because sometimes the outlets are just very bad and overall they can only slow down the process of charging, and the fast charging may actually become the slow charging because of not so fast outlets. So what you guys can also do is, let me get a phone. Here we have our charging port. Now we want to make sure that it's clean inside, and if not, then we want to clean it with something that is not metallic. So for example, soft brushes or anything in this kind. So now after that, what you guys can do is, if you think that's a glitch and you've tested everything, like the charger works for other phones, not this one, and it's compatible, what you guys can do is update your software. So go into the settings, because it may be a glitch. Then go over to settings, go to about phone, and here if you have an update available, click on update. It will automatically redirect you to the page where you can download the updates. So you can just click here, it will get the info, and after downloading the update, it will just say install update right here, and you will have the newest version. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.